Stars talks about Shabana Azmi and Aruna Irani. Both of them were sisters. One was Bansi and one was Mansi. And both of them had a melodious voice. But Bansi never got an opportunity, Shabana Azmi. But the other one, Aruna Irani, she was given training from childhood, and she used to get a lot of medals, a lot of cups, and she was in fact very proud of her talent, and she never gave her sister the opportunity to sing, because she always had this feeling that she is the one who can only sing, and the other one may lead a life of, you can say, family life. So when they grew up, she was instrumental. Mansi got married to a guy who used to actually, Mansi, the elder one, got Bansi to marry to a man who used to torture her mentally, physically. And even the mom-in-law was very cruel. But when she was expecting a baby, she almost walked out of his life, and she was able to explore her talent, and she was taken as a surprise, since Mansi always thought that she should not be in competition with her, otherwise it will jeopardize her career. Then she started using her talent, and there were a lot of people who came across her life. One was a man, he was an old man, but he used to train Mansi. But when he came to know about Bansi's talent, he started training her professionally, and even he fell for her. But then she wanted to actually settle down with him, but he said, I will always love you, but settling down is not something which is going to happen. Then the path of life, she also met Zakir Hussain, who was 9 to 10 years younger to her, but he fell for her and proposed. But she said that I am not going to actually agree unless my daughter heeds to the proposal. And the daughter, the best part was the daughter herself had fallen for Zakir Hussain, and she was taken aback when she knew that her mom and both of them share some kind of feelings for each other. And then lastly, Parikshit Sawhney, a psychiatrist, came in her life, with whom she shared her woes, the journey with her sister, and how her sister actually used to feel a bit jealous about her talent, and how once she got an opportunity to sing for the Republic Day, 15th August in Delhi. And instead of letting her do it, her sister Mansi actually, without telling her, she made a plan to reach to Delhi, and she was there in the news, on the TV. So then she broke all relations, Bansi, after knowing her sister's maybe evil intentions or whatever. She said, now I don't want to have any relation with you. And she came back with Kuhu, her daughter, and she said, now you don't have to have any connection with me or Kuhu. And after a hiatus of 10 years, she came to know that Mansi was suffering from some ailment. It was mostly cancer, and she passed away. And then she didn't have remorse, because the way she was treated was not at all good. But yeah, of course, she was sister, so she fell for her. So the journey was very difficult, but a lot of people came in her life. And finally, Parikshit Sawhney, who was a psychiatrist, actually told her that now I want you to be my friend, and the movie ended. Kuhu also became a singer, and won accolades not only in India but abroad, US and all. So bottom line, each individual is unique, and no one's talent can jeopardize the other. If you have talent, you will shine with your own light. It is not that you have to actually put the other person's talent down to shine. That is ridiculous. So 4.5 stars.